This is all what I can say at this moment. God has done miracles for us, and in spite of very less practice, God has made us deliver the three songs which we have performed today. God has made us to complete this, the Seraphins 2019 for this year. God has made us to do all those singing and praising. Glory to God. The first person to be thanked is Reverend Austin Edwin Richard, the District Minister of CSI District Church, Kanchirapuram, who has been the chairperson for this day, and for his guidance, his blessings, and as all his support he has given to us. I thank you, dear Pastor, for all your guidance. I request our Secretary, Mr. A. Biju, to honor our District Minister with the memento. Secretary A. Biju will honor our District Minister with a memento. Another chairperson of this day, Reverend T. Bovas, District Minister of CSI District Church, Marthandam. He was very instrumental in this event being organized at this venue. I thank you very much for all the support you have given us and for your presence and blessings. I request the convener of the Seraphins, Mr. E. Edwin Manogar, to honor the District Minister with a memento. Our Assistant Pastor, Mr. I. Jobin, a very studious, young and energetic personality who works with the youth, and he was behind all the effort we have taken regarding the ticket collection and all the money, volunteer organization, etc. I thank you, dear Pastor, for all your support and guidance. I request our convener, Mr. D. Christian Jabaraj, to honor the Pastor with a memento. Second pastor of Marthandam CSI Church, and an uncle of mine. He was the second assistant pastor of our church around in 1998. He was also helpful in organizing this event. He was an often visitor of this place yesterday morning itself. I thank you for all your support and guidance. I request our convener, Mrs. Sujita Merlin, to honor the pastor with a memento. Third pastor of Marthandam District Church, Mr. Reverend Jones. I thank you. I didn't even meet him once, but he accepted our invitation. He has given his presence, and he gave few ideas regarding the information and other matters. I thank you for the support. I request Mrs. R. Sunita, our convener, to honor Pastor with a memento. Ever since I know him right from 2000, he was his words will be so soft, so short, but highly meaningful. Whether it is chemistry or ministry, he will be at the top and he will be sharp. I thank you, Dr. Vedarai, my guide ever since I joined Scott Christian College as a BSc chemistry student, and he made me, after God, he made me a doctorate. I thank you for your presence for this occasion and for your sweet message. Now I request our Reverend Muthuswamy Kristudas to honor today's chief guest with the memento. I thank all the teams who took part in today's event, the coordination they made, the support they have given me. Really, when you see a person who is just 6 years old in Western music, conducting a choir which is almost 25 years old. I am, it's only God's grace and the support given by all the conductors of Trivandrum Male Voices and Choristers Association, Mr. S.P. Thomas, and Mr. L. Rosen Moses of the Laventers, Neyatingara, Mr. Jnanas Shekhar Thompson of Kanyakumari Choristers Association. I am so gladful that conductor was singing under my instructions. I just can't accept that feeling till now. I thank every conductors who gave me that great opportunity, who most of the conductors doesn't get it. I thank you, and I also thank the Mystic and the Amaravala Youth Chorus team for giving those entertaining performance. Glory to God. Thank you, every teams and their conductors. Few persons to be thanked. Actually, this event was organized by the Seraphins, but this event was organized for the construction of CSI District Church Conservatorium church building. So, as we decided and we proposed a letter to the church committee, and our district minister, assistant pastor, church committee, all the members, they supported it, and they gave us an opportunity to serve the church by this program. I thank the committee members. Now I request our church secretary to be on the dais. Mr. Anil Nelson will honor him with a memento. Our treasurer, Mr. E. Edwin Robert. Our accountant, Mr. J. Edwin Yanakumar, will be honored by Isaac Raj. Hearty thanks to all the volunteers. We had 37 volunteers who worked with the tickets to collect funds. They visit all the houses in our area, their friends, relatives, even unknown persons. They contacted everyone, and they have put an untiring effort to collect few funds for our church building construction. I thank all the 37 volunteers. I also thank all the volunteer boys who have been available today in this meeting, helping us in arranging all the setups, chairs, tickets, receiving the guests, receiving the audience, everything. I thank all the volunteer boys with their uniforms. I thank you, each and every one of you. Reverend Muthuswamy Christudas, he has given his presence. Our convener, Mr. D. Krishnan Jabaraj, has invited him. And I thank you for your presence and your blessings. I request Professor M. Malkia to honor him with a memento. Focused was the Seraphins and the other teams who performed here. But the actual persons to be honored are behind the cameras, behind the mixers, and behind the amplifiers. I request the second prize winners of today's Western event is just arrived. I request all the dignitaries to be on the dais to give the second prize. Each and every member, right from 2013, we have 56 members. Each and every one have been a source of motivation. Their families, their friends, they have given us enough support. All the parents of our present members, they have given us enormous support. You just can't do things like this by a single person or just by those members. It needs lots of permissions, lots of adjustments, lot of hard work. And I thank every parents, every well-wishers who have supported us behind the screen for all these steps we have taken. A small word of thanks to my family who has been supporting me. I haven't touched my child for the past 2 days, and it's she who has taken care of. I thank every members of my family for that kind support. Thank you, every one of you. I am sure I have covered everyone. In the name of God, I thank every one of you for this gracious occasion. Thank you, one and all. Praise to God.